Got y'all right here in the 4 hourly. And as y'all can see, we are literally in head and shoulders formation right here. So, I mean, honestly, when we have a possibility of coming up, hitting this 20 EMA, which is not too far from where we already at, and it's still going down. But the thing is, once we get down here, this is the danger zone, which would be 0.0125. It is going off the table, just like the rest of the markets. Yeah, as you can see, we already, as we going down, we came up at the 50 EMA already. We already hit the 20 EMA. So we could come up here, like I said, again, halfway come up to the 20 EMA and then reverse and continue our way on down. Because we are on the third drop now. Like I said, market makers love doing things by threes, and it's the daily. And like I said, it's going to basically stay inside the zone. Because I don't see this thing hopping out, hitting 100 EMA. That's not going to happen. But like I said, we might get a small move up, but it's not moving too much. And that's on a daily. Now on the weekly as you can see, our weekly candle already came up and recovered its previous candle, and now we're currently basically at the end, on some stopping pressure right below, right above this, I say the danger line. Because once it comes below here, once it drop here, this will be like a small little break, and as y'all can see, it's basically the doji right here, and you can see the resistance, support over the general range, and this range right here is 0.007. So I mean that's a pretty steep drop. Once you get below here, because this area right here, when Bitcoin is at 14,000, this is where we'll be at. When Bitcoin completes the head and shoulders at 10,000, it will be down here. The complete recovery of this candlestick right here. Basically, and you can see doji over here, stopping pressure, resistance. Let me turn this off for a second so I can see. I see it right here in this previous one. Boom, boom. And then, the final flash crash of the whole markets. This one do have enough data, so I know the low is right here. The low is, I'm going to give y'all the exact low. It'll be 0.004909. Some say, 0.005 to keep it simple. That'll be a complete recovery of everything, and then we'll get a crazy move right back up to 0.007. So yeah, I mean, that's a crazy move. But once again, the low is 0.00. Oh, I said that wrong. Excuse me. The low is 0.0014. Yeah, that is the low. I don't know. I got it confused. Well, I know I got it confused, but once we get that move to that number, 0.00. And we get that bounce off, we should be good. But I just mentioned the low. Getting a little confused with numbers because all these extra zeros, man. It be like that sometimes. But anyways, y'all in there, be careful. Just be patient. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow and make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.